Anyone who has renewed a passport in Jamaica knows the drill. You wake up at 4 a.m., head to the passport office in the dark, and brace yourself for hours standing in a massive, slow-moving line. But by using the official online portal, you can bypass that physical queue entirely. When you organize your application to the agency's exact standards, you reduce the risk of clerical errors and increase the likelihood of being approved on your first trip. Completing your documentation at home involves 4 specific steps that determine how quickly you move through the office window. Following this exact preparation sequence is the difference between an exhausting all-day ordeal and a 15-minute appointment. Step 1 begins on your phone. Looking at this calendar interface, we see the PICA online portal. Instead of joining the walk-in queue, use this site to book your slot. Securing a specific time slot online replaces an unpredictable waiting game with a predictable scheduled arrival. Step 2 covers your paperwork. You need to download, print, and completely fill out the official application form at home. Once the form is filled out, you must take it to a justice of the peace. This official is required to formally verify your identity and stamp the paperwork. You also need professional-grade photographs. Make sure you use a studio that understands the strict government sizing dimensions, as home photos routinely fail. This diagram illustrates a critical requirement. The exact same Justice of the Peace who verified your application form on the left must also sign the back of your submitted photographs on the right. Aligning a confirmed online appointment with matching documents from your JP establishes a consistent foundation for your application. This is the third and most frequent cause for rejection in the entire process, the signature box on the main application form. The passport agency processes these forms using high-sensitivity digital scanners. If your ink touches those black boundary lines even slightly, the system will reject the form and you'll have to start over. A reliable way to avoid this is to leave the box entirely blank at home. Sign it only when you are safely under the direct guidance of the service window officer. Moving to step 4, we need to gather your supporting documents. You must bring the original physical certificates with you, as photocopies are not accepted. The passport office no longer accepts old, handwritten birth certificates. You must bring the modern, printed version issued by the Registrar General's Department. Column 1 shows first-timers need your form, 2 photos, modern birth certificate, and valid ID. Column 2 adds your original marriage certificate for name changes. Column 3 shows minors need a parent's ID or legal guardianship papers. Protecting your signature box from stray marks and providing modern printed certificates addresses the primary reasons for document rejection at the counter. Assemble all your original paperwork into a neat folder and arrive exactly 15 minutes before your scheduled appointment time. Because you have an organized packet and a confirmed slot, you can move directly to the service window and avoid the general waiting area. All the official links you need for the scheduling portal and the application forms are located in the description box below this video. Take a second to like this video, share it with family members who have an upcoming renewal, and drop any specific application questions in the comments. Following this organized blueprint ensures you spend less time in the lobby and more time focused on your actual travel plans.